Hello guys, welcome to MJ's Digital Diary. Thanks for dropping by. In this video, we're going to dive into how to create a food poster in Canva, perfect for promotions, and the best part is you can apply the same tricks to any other types of poster too. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with our background for the advertising. What we need to do is we just go to the element here. Now I would like the background to be woody style. So we can search for the like dark wood background here. And then you see the photo here, right? Just click see all so that we can have a look at it. So right now we are looking for something that is pretty ready to use, just like a 3D wood model. So we can scroll down a little bit, something like this, see? But I would like a little bit of something with more 3D texture, so we can search around. Okay, clicked on it. You see? Cool. Then we just click on it, and then just adjust the size like this to make it set a representation here, the page here, just like this. Just a little bit. Alright, cool. Right now we got the background already. Okay, and then the next step is that we're gonna do the burger. So let's find the burger. Okay, just go to element again. We just clear the search first and then we search for the burger. Let's see. But if you have already your image of burger, just drag it through. Here we go, the photo here, see? Just select something that you like, but I will use this one, because it seems like a juicy of the a lot of cheese, so I will use this one. Okay, you just click on it, just do this, and then we got the burger already. Let's do the background a little bit to make it more of the texture style. What I will do is that I want the what we call the paper tier. So just search on it, and then you see here, right? There are a lot of paper tier for you to select from. Like this one, just for example. First, if we use this one, we can just a little bit of move it around just like this. But what I would do is I would like to show you a little bit here also that if you like this one, for example, right? You can just click on this 3 button, and then you can go to info here, and then you click on the star just like this, so that for the next time, many times already I do the research, I search on the element and I cannot find it again. When you click on the star, right, what you will see here, that scroll down and then you will see star here, click on it, you see the one that you just more like a click on the star like a favorite, it will come up here. Cool. Alright, just want to show you this, but what I will use is this one. This one is the paper tier that I used to search for, and then I started because many times I just always forget things. Alright, so we're gonna do the flip a little bit horizontal, just like this. Okay, and then adjust this one a little bit to make it sit here. Okay, let's use this border as a baseline, then you just drag it like this. Okay, just like this. Here we go, got this. And then what we need to do is you just see here in show layer, and then you will drag this one up just like this. Cool. Right, you see that it is more like kind of 3D texture and this texture as well. Alright, and next one, let's just try to play around a little bit now with the text. Okay, we just go to text here, and then I will use this one, the style. Just press on this one, and then let ungroup it first. Okay, the first one I will set like a bird, and then I will like the design to be like just like this. You see, you can see like also the textile here. There are a lot of style that we can choose from, or you can just add, click on the text block here and then just add your take just like this as well. You see? Okay, but right now I will use this style here. Then what I will do is I would like to change a little bit of color, so just go to the text color to be this color. Okay, cool, more like a burger a little bit. We will come back to it later. All right, and now let's just click on the burger and go to effect and use this one. Better, just you see, just increase the offset a little bit so that it's more like a kind of 3D texture. Use turtle one and clicked on it. Okay, so it's a little bit more like a texture. Just make it a little bit bold. Cool. All right, what next? The next step, I will show you how to decorate this. So I would like to show you this one. This one is very difficult for me to find, so I would like to, okay, let me just click on it first because I stare it. For this one, what you can search for if you like to use this one is that just go to the element, yeah, and then abstract stripe, for example. Yeah, and then you can click the order the effect here. It will come up like this. But since it is very difficult for me also to search for this one, I click on the star, and I would like to suggest you that you just click on more here, right? And click on info just like this. And you see here a little link here, Will More by Intro Pitch. Just click on here. And then boom, you see a lot of thing that is related to this stuff, this idea. And then you can also search. If you like this style, you just search for at intro page just like this in the search bar, and then just click on it, and you will be able to see this type, just in case you want to use it just like me. All right, okay, let's get back to our design. Just okay, we're gonna expand a little bit just like this to the design. Okay, and then we're gonna change the color just like this to make it really suit with our design here. Okay, just like expand a little bit just like this. Okay, so that it just looks more like the kind of cool textures of burgers like this. Okay, here we go. Very cool. All right, we got already the burger here, just here, so a little bit. Okay, we got the burger here, and then let's do a little bit of texture to make the burger stand out a little bit. Gonna do the shadow. Okay, just click on the shadow here, and then you will see a lot of shadow here. Just use let's use this one. Cool. Just drag down here, you see, if you just put in the shadow here to your burger, it's like it is a little jump, you see, like this. Okay, cool. All right, we put it already here, and then the next is that gonna decorate the left side right now. Okay, what I would do is I will put on a little bit of cheese on top, because it's, you can search on cheese, and then this one, okay, say. All right, cool. All right, we are nearly there, and then we can also put a little bit of the text here. I will select from this one. The reason I select this one is that because it's growing, when it comes to the dark, see here the dark background here, it's more like the letter is just grow out like this, you see here, right? Yeah. Okay, we use this one and group it a little bit because I'm gonna change the text to opened, and this one drag down a little bit, open daily like this. Cool. click on it, just change the color a little bit to make it suit with our design, like this, you see, because our theme is more like a kind of orange and dark blue. Cool. Okay, let me just add a little bit of blur. Wait, oops, sorry. Just go to element first, and then we just add a little bit of blur, white blur here, you see. Okay, just select one of it that is more like a bit of glowing. I will select this one, you see. And what I will do is just click on the three dot and then layer, and then show layer. I will bring this one down like this. Okay, adjust it a little bit. Yeah, just like this, you see. And then it will be more like a little light to your burger right now. I like this technique, the blur one and the shadow one, because it's gonna give you a feeling of the 3D texture to your product, especially the food stuff. Very last thing, we're gonna use a little bit of glitter. I really like glitter for no reason. Okay, and then just scroll down, just select the one that matches this one. Okay, gonna put it here so it's more like a little bit of some smoke thing. Cool. Just lastly, let's see. One last time. Okay, make it a little bit more love. Okay. And here is what we've got. Hope this helped and you can apply these techniques to your project as well. So, see you in the next video very soon. Take care and enjoy life.